and good evening. My name is Ahmad Zahrazik bin Abduraza and my matrix number is 08DKM23F1353. I am from Group 1 and I will introduce you my group members. We have ABL Fan, Afi Haikal, Alif Haikal, and also Ahmad Zahrazik. So, what's our topic today? Our topic is integration. What is integration? I will explain to you what is integration. Integration is a method of adding or summing up the parts to find the whole. It is just a reverse process of how differentiation is calculated, where we reduce the various functions into small parts. This method is used to find summation where there are a huge amount of calculation involved. Along with the concept of differentiation, integration is a basic and a fundamental but very essential concept of calculus and serves as a very informative tool to solve problems, mainly in mathematics and physics field involving the calculation of area of an arbitrary shape, the length of a group, the slope of a group, and area under the group, and also the volume of a solid among others. Next, the application of integration to find area involves using the mathematical process of integration to determine the total space enclosed between a curve and a given interval on the x-axis. This process is crucial in various real-world and theoretical contexts, such as physics, engineering, economics, and more. For example, a civil engineering might want to know the area of a piece of wood used to do from wood to build an arm of a building. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Alif Haikal and my matrix number is 08DKM23F1138. I will start the presentation with the formula. There's two formulas. The first one is integral with the limit be a fx dx with fx equals y. For the second formula is the same as the first, but instead of xx dx, we'll use fy dy, which is if the area is on the y-axis. Let's jump to the question. The question requires us to calculate the shaded area. Given that point A is 2, 8, point B is 9, 1, the first y is equals 10x minus x squared minus 8, and the second y is 10 minus x. First, we need to calculate the intersection of point A and point B. With the given y's, we can use it to calculate the x. First, 1 equals y2, and we get 10x minus x squared minus 8 equals 10 minus x. Simplify it and make it into equation, and we'll get minus x squared plus 11x minus 18 equals to 0. Factorize it and we'll get bracket x minus 2 and bracket x minus 9 equals 0. So the first x is 2 and the second x is 9. Next, to calculate the shaded area, we need to separate the area. The first area that we'll use is the whole area, and the second area is the area at the bottom. So to get the shaded area, we need to do area 1 minus area 2. With that, start the calculation with the formula mentioned before, and for the limit, we'll use the x that we calculate. So area equals integral with the limit 9 into 10x minus x squared minus 8 dx minus integral limit 9 to 10 minus x dx. Evaluate it and we'll get bracket 10x squared over 2 minus x cubed over 3 minus 8x with the limit 9 to close the bracket minus open bracket 10x minus x squared over 2 with the limit 9 to again close bracket. And after that, substitute the x with the limit and we'll get open bracket 10 bracket 9 square over 2 minus x bracket 9 cube over 3 minus 8 bracket 9 minus 10 bracket 2 square over 2 minus 2 cube over 3 minus 8 bracket 2 close the big bracket minus open bracket 10 bracket 9 minus 9 square over 2 minus 10 bracket 2 minus 2 square over 2 close the bracket. Calculate it and we'll get bracket 90 minus 4 over 3 close bracket minus open bracket 92 over 2 minus 18 close bracket. And the final answer that we'll get is 343 over 6 unit square. That's all from me. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Afiqal bin Ladani. My matrix number is 08DKM23F1061. today I want to talk about application of integration to find volume. The application of integration to find volume is essential in both theoretical and practical field, enabling the calculation of volume of solid that have complete shape. This process is critical in engineering, physics, architecture, and many other disciplines. Here, we will explore different methods for finding volume using integration, along with example. And then, I will talk about formula about the axis. The formula V equal integrate A ds or respectively integrate A dy, where A stands for the area of the typical disk. In other words, A equal pi r power 2 and r equal fs or r equal fy depending on the axis of revolution. The volume of the solid generation by a region under fs bounded by the axis and vertical line s equal A and s equal B, which is revolved about the axis is V equal pi integrate with the limit dA y power 2 ds equal pi integrate with the limit dA open bracket fs closing bracket power 2 ds. And then the formula about the y-axis, the volume of the solid generated by a region under fy to the left of fy, bounded by y-axis and horizontal line y equal c and y equal to d, which is revolved about the y-axis. For the formula, v equal pi integrate with the limit dc s power 2 dy equal pi integrate with the limit dc open bracket fy closing bracket power 2 dy. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muhammad Sham and my number metric is 08DKM23F1351. I want to continue my first topic. So, example, the graph of y equal to s to the power of 4 between s equal 1 and s equal 3 is rotated completely around the x-axis. Find the volume generated. The example give a graph and an object. So, this is the formula. Volume equals to integrated d1 pi s to the power of 4 ds. So, we need to complete the problem and solve the question. So, pi s to the power of 5 divide 5 and we need to multiply 3 and 1. So if we get the answer, we need to solve the equation and we get the answer, and the answer is 48.4x. So the conclusion is integration is the method we have of figuring the cumulative effects of forces that undergo variations as they act on a body while it's in motion. Integrals enable us to define the cumulative effect of kinetic energy. The application of integration in real life is based upon the industry types where this calculus is used. Like in the field of engineering, engineers use the integrals to determine the shape of building constructions or length of power cable required to connect the two substations. These are mainly used in daily by pilots to measure the pressure in the air. Shipwrecks occur because the ship was not where the captain thought should be. There was not a good enough understanding of how the Earth, stars and planets move with respect to each other. So that's all from us, and thank you.